Good evening to all. My name is Mohanish, studying 8th standard in Coding Academy. Now, I will explain about lists in Python. First of all, what is list? List is a data structure which can store different types of data or values like integer, string, float, etc. Lists are defined by having values between square brackets. Lists are enclosed by square brackets. The list elements are separated by comma, and list is mutable, means changeable, which can change its value or element. Now, I will show you a real-time example and I will explain it. This is a real-time example. There is a com box and it has some values like pen, eraser, some things are there in the com box. In this, the com box is the list and the things are the values. Like this, we can say that is a real-time example. And why list is useful? Means to store the different types of value. This is the use of list. Next, I will tell you another example. The example is house. In house, there will be different things like television, bed, different types of rooms, kitchen, etc. We can say house is also a list. Thank you.